That's true. That's right. She sippin' one wet and yeah, I swear get her wetter. My Louboutins new, so my bottoms stays redder. No, I'm not on ride, but I'm all up on my cheddar. Just talked to your homie, she said we should be together. Gave me brain with so insane that I made her my header. If she ever call my phone, you know I got a deader. But I like that girl too much, I wish I never met her.
Now you begging and seducing, but beggars cannot be choosy. Been a queen for 8 summers, just tell them to call me Susie. This that Nikki, this that Uzi, this Hennessy got me woozy. Broke the internet in 5411s and some Gucci. The blue ribbon eating sushi. This that real good. This that where this chatter.
Hey guys, it's your girl Angel here. We're back with another tutorial. I hope you guys like this pretty spring look. I did like a pastel green type of look. I wanted it to match the shirt, the sweater that I got on. So I matched it as best as I could. And before we get into the video, I want to talk to you guys about the palettes that I use. I used the first Nubian palette by Juvias place, and I used the Subculture palette. And we're going to talk about this palette because the Juvias place, I never have a problem with them. And for the Subculture, this got a lot of controversy. This is what my palette looks like. I don't have any bad dips in it like a lot of people do. And this is the first palette that released. I got it as soon as it released. So all the people that talked about the palette, I didn't find anything wrong with it. The pigmentation of it is amazing, and I didn't have any problems blending them out. I love the colors in this palette. When will you ever find colors like this? I use this color on the inner corner. I think it works better just for the inner corner than putting it over the whole eye. I tried doing this around the whole eye, or if you do a halo eye, don't try to do a cut crease with that. I honestly like this look. You don't need any eyeliner. You just, you know, a smoky eye is a smoky eye. You have it by itself. My palette doesn't look messy. I find that this works best. A lot of people, they'll put their concealer or their eye primer on and set it with a powder. I find it worked best using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and this dries fast. So, and I didn't put no powder on. I just had this on, and it stuck right to this. So I think that that's a difference. And a lot of people, they don't pack the shadow on. You're supposed to pack the shadow on. No fallout. My fallout was not horrible, as y'all can see. That palette is not a palette for beginners, so if you're just starting off with makeup, then I don't think you need to get that palette. You guys, I want to talk to y'all about blush. This is the best blush palette ever. It's A1. I'm going to stop talking, and then we're going to go right into the video. Let's get right into the video.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Yeah. Until the very last hour, we still got few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Thank you guys for watching. Before you guys leave, please like and subscribe and comment to this video. Hit the bell if you guys want to get notified every time I post the video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.